Guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, search bar and wallet, and install wallet. If you already have it installed, just open the app. Now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Now tap on Add to Wallet at the bottom right corner, loyalty card. Now choose from which company you would like to add loyalty card. And now either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on this button and then entering your member ID here. Then you can just tap on Add to Wallet, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments.